The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, helps keep an eye on your vehicle's tire pressure. Your vehicle's TPMS monitors the rolling radius and characteristics of each wheel to determine if a tire is underinflated. It will then issue an alert in the form of an icon that looks like the cross-section of a tire with an exclamation mark in the middle. The system must be calibrated each time you adjust the pressure in any tire, rotate the tires, or replace one or more tires. After checking that the pressure in all 4 tires is correct, make sure the vehicle is parked and the ignition is on. Note that after initiating the calibration process, it will take about 30 minutes of cumulative driving at speeds between 30 and 60 miles per hour to be completed. If your vehicle has the LCD audio screen, here's the procedure. Press the clock menu button on the display. Rotate the selector knob to choose Settings and press in. Rotate the knob to highlight Vehicle Settings and press. Then select TPMS Calibration and press. Finally, highlight Calibrate and press to select.